rolls with sunny cheer. Round and sweet, it's yummy here. Purple grapes in bunches play, giggle, bounce, and roll away. Strawberry tiny, red and sweet, little dots make it so neat. Watermelon pink inside, juicy joy you can't hide. Pineapple with crown so tall, smiles and waves to one and all. Mango golden, soft and sweet, sunny fruit, a summer treat. Blueberries bounce in a bowl so blue, tiny and happy, just like you. Two red cherries hold hands tight, sway together, what a sight. Peachy soft with rosy glow, lemon bright, a zesty friend. Sour fun that never ends, kiwi green and fuzzy too. Cut in half, it smiles at you. Papaya orange, seeds so black, sweetness fills your picnic sack. Coconut cool with straw and sand, sips a drink and waves his hand. Pear so tall and green delight, purple plum rolls down the slide, laughing loud with so much pride. Melon big and bouncy round, thumps along with happy sound. Pink and fun, they never stop. Pomegranate seeds go pop, dancing juice just won't stop. Carrot orange and garden bright, jumps with joy from morning light. Broccoli strong and green and tall, flexes arms to help us all. Tomato round, a jolly face, rolling, racing all the place. Spinach green so full of might, dancing leaves in pure delight. Potato brown with tiny boots, laughs and sings with veggie flutes. Cauliflower white and grand, green peas in a pod, jump around and give a nod. Corn so golden shining bright, marching tall with kernels light. Cabbage twirls and spins around, rustling leaves make happy sound. Onion laughs with tiny tears, garlic flies with hero cape. Super bulb makes veggies gape. Eggplant orange, round and fat, rolls and says, imagine that. Bold, what a sight, dances glowing in the light. Green pepper joins, high five time, together they make rhythm rhyme. Yellow pepper sunbeam bright, shining warm with golden light. Cucumber cool, sliding fast, splash in water, fun that lasts. Radish red, white top hat, beetroot paints in purple hue, colors bright and dripping too. Lettuce claps in leafy tune, sways and sings beneath the moon.